Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. It's time for a Tag Tuesday. I'm recording on a Tuesday. This one's a New Year's tag. Alright, so I'm on my way to work, and so this isn't going to go up till tonight, but still, Tuesday tag, recording on a Tuesday. That's rare for me, so I'm proud of that. And even more rare, I get to tag Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. Normally she gets tagged before I do, and she tags me. This time I get to tag her, and I want to thank Tracy over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl for doing the tag and tagging me. A link to both of them will be down below, and I'm going to do these questions. I'm going to try to do them while I'm going to work. These are long questions, so I may not even be able to. I may have to record in the parking lot or something. I don't know, but we'll see. There's a lot of stop signs between here and there where I can pause to read the question, so we'll see how it goes. All right, first question is, would you rather have to stay up late until after midnight every night of the coming year, or kiss someone at noon every day of the year? Well, are we kissing the same person? Because that'd be a little weird, and I'm single, so it would be awesome if all of a sudden, this coming year I wasn't single and I was kissing somebody that I was dating every day at noon. That'd be great. It'd be a little bit weird considering, Friday and Saturday I work, and so they'd have to come to my work and kiss me. I'd be okay with that though. So that would be awesome. But considering that I'm single and I don't want to just be kissing strangers every day, I will say that I would rather stay up until after midnight every day. I get pretty close to that anyway on some days, so I can just do it a little bit more regularly. And especially since I can easily sleep in, well, technically. My body doesn't like to, but technically I could because most days I work later. So yeah, I guess that one. Number 2 is, would you rather make a resolution to give up sweets this year or give up showers and baths? That one's easy. Give up sweets. I need to be clean. It's not sanitary not to be clean. And I do not eat a ton of sweets anyway, so it would be super, super hard. I do crave them, but it wouldn't be super, super hard to do that. Number 3 is, would you rather have to spend the next week tossing confetti over the head of every person you meet, or blowing a horn and wishing them Happy New Year? Definitely the second one, blowing a horn and wishing everybody a Happy New Year, because I do hair for a living, guys. So, 1, I see a lot of people in a week. 2, I'd be throwing confetti in their hair and then have to try to do their hair. And during a haircut, that's fine because I usually shampoo first. But color, that would complicate things. I'd have to shampoo it out, dry it, and then put on the color. So no, I'm not ruining all of that and making that so much harder. Number 4, would you rather spend New Year's Eve, would you rather be on the New Year's Eve countdown show with Ryan Seacrest, or on the parade, I read this earlier, what's the rest of it, or on the parade at the Rose Bowl parade? I've never actually watched that, so I didn't even know what it was, but I'm guessing I would rather do a parade. 1, it's shorter, less time, and being separated from the crowd, kind of nice. And yeah, I guess that. I don't know. I really don't have a preference. Either one would be interesting, but not great or bad for me. So yeah. Number 5, would you rather be invited to the White House to celebrate New Year's Eve, or a celebrity chef come to your house to make a New Year's Eve dinner? I would rather have a celebrity chef come to my house to make New Year's Eve dinner. That would be fantastic. I would love to have a pro chef do there, especially if I could, be there kind of watching and learning. That'd be fantastic. Number 6, would you rather live in Times Square for a year or on the International Space Station? Space Station? Yeah, I mean, I'm a nerd, sci-fi, space. I think that'd be awesome. And temperature controlled, rather than living in a park and who knows what winters and summers are like. So, space. Give me space. I would love that. Would you rather wear a shirt tomorrow that lists everything you did over the holidays or everything you ate over the holidays? I guess everything I did over the holidays, considering I didn't do a whole lot. So it would be easier, I guess. I don't know. That's kind of a weird one. But I guess a shirt. Yeah. All right. Number 8. Would you rather have snow on January 1st or a warm 80-degree day? I'd rather have snow. I want snow so bad. I see pictures of my friends that live in other states and they have their snow and videos of snow. I love that. We have chilly weather and no snow. It's really cloudy today, and tomorrow it's supposed to be rainy all day, but I think, it's also going to be like 50 degrees, so that does not equal snow. It would be awesome. It would be fantastic, but I don't picture it happening. Number 9, would you rather spend New Year's Eve or New Year's Day in a home with no internet or a home without indoor plumbing? Without indoor plumbing. Easy. Because that means outdoor plumbing. I have done that numerous times when my roommate is in the bathroom, because he takes very long sessions sitting down in the bathroom. Let's just say that. Okay, he takes a very long time to poop and a very long time to shower, especially if he does it early in the morning. And when I wake up, I gotta go. Go. So I have literally gone out in the backyard and had to use the bathroom out there. Preferably, if it was poop, I would have an outhouse. That's what I'm going to assume in this scenario. It'd actually be kind of nice in general to have 2 bathrooms, even if one is outdoors, just for those in-case scenarios. Number 10, would you rather spend New Year's Day with the ability to be invisible or the ability to fly? I would love the ability to fly. Being invisible, especially this year, would be kind of useless. On a normal year, being invisible might be a little bit tempting. But this year, because you still can't get close to people, just because you're invisible doesn't mean you can't catch COVID, is what I'm thinking. So definitely being able to fly, because at least I can fly and see stuff. I don't know. Plus, I've always wondered with flight, obviously in comic books it's pretty darn easy, but like, how much energy does it use? Are you really, is it easier than walking? If it takes as much energy as, say, walking to where you're going or running to where you're going, that might be tiring. Might not get very far. Still be pretty cool. Just hovering, going just from my bedroom to the kitchen or to the living room or whatever. But I've always wondered that. Just a random side note. Anyway, that's all the questions. Luckily, I got through them before I got to the highway, because I am not trying to read paper on a highway. So, thank you again, Tracy, for tagging me in this. This was actually a fun one. Not that other ones haven't been, but this one was fun. I like holiday-themed stuff in general, much less questions. And also, Sandy, I am tagging you in this video. I'm really glad that I finally get to tag you. You always get tagged first, which is fine, because I'm really bad at watching videos in a timely manner. Like, I go through phases where all of a sudden I'm watching, a week or two's worth of videos from somebody, and if they tagged me and they didn't let me know they tagged me, like, whoops, I dropped the ball. Only one I know to watch out for is Sandy for the weekly tag, because we know we will always tag each other. So when I see them come out, if she does it, I just always scan her page for it. But anyway, I'm tagging Sandy. Thank you, Tracy. And if anybody else wants to do this, feel free to do it. These are pretty fun. I'm really interested to hear some other perspectives. Yeah, that's all I got. I was supposed to get off the highway there. I'm going to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you later.